How to use coconut oil and castor oil for hair growth. 1. Many people suffer with thinning hair or breakage which prevents them from growing long and healthy hair. 2. This is caused by many different problems such as aging, a poor diet, fungal infections of the scalp and many more. 3. The good news is that you can use a combination of coconut oil and castor oil for hair growth. This will thicken the hair and may even prevent future hair loss due to the nutrients within the oils. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of hexane-free castor oil. Method: add the ingredients to a bowl and place in the microwave for 30 seconds until dissolved. Alternatively, place over a bowl of hot water if you do not have a microwave. Mix the oils together well to form the hair growth mixture. Apply this all over the hair and scalp using your hands or an applicator bottle. Be sure to only do this on dry hair to allow the hair to soak up the oils. Focus your attention on massaging the oils into the scalp in circular motions with the fingers. This will stimulate blood flow and allow for easy absorption. Be sure to coat all of the hair, especially if it is prone to dryness and breakage. Leave this wonderful hair mask in overnight. Place a towel over your pillow so that you do not get oil on your bed sheets. In the morning, use a gentle shampoo and wash out the oil. By the morning, your hair and scalp will have absorbed the nutrients from the castor and coconut oils. You can perform this treatment as often as you wish. We recommend at least once per week. 4. The castor oil boosts blood circulation in the scalp. This allows the hair follicles to get the nutrients that they need in order to grow healthily. 5. Omega-6 fatty acids found within the oil cause the hair strands to become thicker and grow faster than usual. 6. Coconut oil is one of the most powerful oils used in herbal medicine throughout the world. It destroys harmful bacteria and fungus which may be living in the scalp. 7. It also nourishes the hair with essential nutrients. These help the hair to stay strong and thick as it grows longer and longer. This mixture works as an excellent conditioner and moisturiser of the hair. 8. The combination of oils clears up dry and itchy scalps extremely quickly. It does this by balancing the pH of the scalp and destroying any fungus which may be causing the problem. 9. Castor oil is very thick and can be difficult to wash out on its own. The coconut oil helps to thin this out, making it the perfect hair conditioner. 10. The castor oil and coconut oil can be used on the eyelashes, eyebrows and beard for hair growth in the same fashion. 11. In order to further increase hair growth, try to eat foods which are dense in nutrients such as kale, broccoli, beef, sea kelp, bacon and avocados. Try to lower your intake of carbohydrates, which are one of the main causes of hair loss. To learn more about natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.